Zebras are incredibly fascinating and captivating animals that inhabit the African savannas. Their lives are filled with colorful adventures, amazing interactions, and an endless quest for food. To understand the magic of their existence, let's dive into one such adventure. At dawn, when the first rays of the sun begin to touch the horizon, the zebras are already awake. The main character of our story is a zebra named Zara, with huge dark brown eyes and black and white stripes that create a unique pattern on her body. Zara was born in the vast savanna, where grasses sway gently under a light breeze, and the horizon seems limitless. She lives in a herd made up of dozens of other zebras, each with its unique character and place in this social structure. Every day they search together for nutrient-rich grass and clean water sources. One day, when the herd stopped to rest near a watering hole, Zara noticed movement in the bushes nearby. Her heart began to beat faster. It was a lioness quietly creeping towards them. The zebras instantly became alert, but Zara did not panic. She began to lead the herd to a safe place, using her speed and agility. The lioness gave up and left them alone. At midday, when the sun was at its zenith, the zebras stopped for a lunch break. They stood closely together, forming a protective circle around the young and weak. Thanks to their stripes, which create an optical illusion, it is harder for predators to single out one zebra from the group. With the onset of night, the herd rested under the starry sky. The moon illuminated their striped bodies, creating a magical atmosphere. Among these stars and shadows, Zara felt part of a large, harmonious nature. This story about Zara the zebra reminds us of the strength of unity, adaptation, and survival in the wild. Every day is a new adventure, full of challenges and triumphs. So remember, even the smallest creatures have their great stories and significance in this vast world.